this one axle. We need to remove this one. How we can do that? Hello guys, how are you today? This is Jeep Compass 2014. In this video I will show you how to replace a rear CV axle. If you see there, see guys, this one axle, we need to remove this one. How we can do that? First things, we need to remove brake pads or tire brake pads, then caliper, then if you see the rotor. After then we have 4 bolt here, probably it's 17 if you see there. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. If we open this 4, easily we can remove wheel bearing. If we do that, after then what we can do, if you see there, there is a bolt, this one and one of them in the top. We should remove this 2 bolt. Why? Because if you see, you cannot remove it because it's tall, so if we open this bolt and the top one, when we can push to other side, then easily we can remove CV axle. So stay with me, I will show you step by step. See guys, now I open both nuts. So now I will a little bit hammer on both of them. Yeah, this one, second one in the top. Yep. So see, now you will have more space to open it, you guys. So now easily you can remove CV axle. You guys, you can use screwdriver for it to push a little bit. Yeah, see, now the CV axles come out. So now guys, is a new CV axle. So I will put by same way that I take old one off. Okay. So just you will push it, it is going to its place. See? Oh. So just I will push a little. top one. Now these three. So now what I will do, I will return bearing to its place.